Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. Now this question is on simplifying surds. Now we know the question has got surds in it because there is a square root with a number underneath. That's all a surd is, a number with a square root. Now the key terms of this question are root 20, the plus root 45, which are both surds, and we've got to leave our answer in the form k root 5, which means there's going to be some number multiplied by root 5 in our answer, and we've got to work out what that value of k is. This is worth 3 marks. Now to be able to do this question, we need to know some key facts. So when you're looking at surds and you're simplifying them, you need to look for a square number. Now there are going to be 2 numbers that multiply to give each of these numbers under the square root, and one of these numbers must be a square number. So we must look for a square number as a factor. Now your square numbers are the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. Because 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25, etc. And you need to be able to go the other way, that the square root of 25 is 5, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 1 is 1, etc. Then once you've got your answer with 2 parts with the square numbers in, you're going to end up with 2 sections with a root 5 after them. And you're going to treat that like an x term, like you would solve normal algebra. So you're going to get one term in terms of root 5 and another term in terms of root 5, and then you need to combine them together like you would do with normal algebra. Press pause, have a go at the question, press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Well done. Give me a thumbs up or a like if you've got the question, you've got an answer. Or write a comment below to show me that you could do the question. So here's the answer. So we're going to write root 20. Now 2 numbers multiplied to give 20, with one of them being a square number, is 4 times 5. We know one of the terms has got to be root 5 because in the answer it's got in the form k root 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. For the second one, multiplying 45 by 5, or 45 divided by 5 will give me 9. So 9 is a square number, times by 5 is how I split up this root 45, and that will give you 1 mark for separating them like this. Now we can separate these 2 square roots and we can put them so there are more square roots in here. So root 4 times 5 is the same as root 4 times by root 5. I could do the same on the second term in yellow. So root 9 times root 5 is the same as root 9 times 5. So we can just separate them off. Now the reason we do this is so we can look at the square roots separately. So the square root of 4 is 2. So I can write root 4 times by root 5 as 2 root 5. The square root of 9 is 3, so I can write that as 3 root 5. From here, okay, that gives me my second mark. Now I can look at adding these 2 parts together. So we've got 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5. You can think of it as 2 apples plus 3 apples. You're going to end up with 5 apples. So 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5 is just going to be 5 root 5, and that is your last mark. Make sure you write your answer on the dotted line. The mark scheme says the final answer is 5 root 5. It is worth 3 marks. M2 is a method mark. M1 is also a method mark where we get our full marks from. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below to let me know what you would like to see in my next video. See you next time!